Hi, I'm KK. Let's see how to convert Excel charts into high resolution images. I have already created a sample data and its corresponding chart in the Excel. Copy the chart by right clicking on the chart, then copy, then open a browser. In the browser, just type draw.io, which will open a website called app.diagrams.net. Then select create a new diagram. Then give some name to this diagram like example. Don't change the extension draw.io. Then click on create. Then the chart we have copied from Excel can be pasted in this by pressing Ctrl V. Now the entire image, the chart that we have created in the Excel has been copied into this web page. Now click on File, then Export As, then you can go to Advanced tab. Now in this, based on your resolution requirements, you can change the zoom value. Like if you change it to 200% resolution, the number of pixels in the width is 1506 and height is 904. If you change it to 300, it would be further increased. As well, you can also change the DPIs like 100 DPI, 200 DPI, 300, 400, and then unclick transparent if you want the image as it is from the Excel chart. Then you can have some border width like 5. Then simply click on export. Then the export will create PNG image as we have selected the PNG type. Then click device to download it to your local computer. Then this file will be created in the downloads and you can show that or see that file by clicking on it. And if you look at the properties of this image, it is having (2289) pixels and 1386 pixels with 32-bit depth, and the size is 146 KB. So like this, we can create the high resolution images from the Excel charts. Thank you.